Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency and exploring the fantastic opportunities available to you with the MEXC bonus. If you're looking to maximize your trading experience while enjoying some added benefits, you've come to the right place. First, let's talk about what MEXC bonus is all about. MEXC is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchange platforms, known for its user-friendly interface and a wide range of trading options. By utilizing the MEXC bonus, you can unlock exclusive incentives that boost your trading power and enhance your overall experience. When you use our special referral code 12K4M5, you'll gain instant access to rewards that can significantly increase your potential earnings. This code not only provides you with bonuses, but also opens the door to promotional trades, reduced fees, and other exclusive offers tailored for users like you. Just imagine trading with less cost and more value. The process is simple. Sign up on the MEXC platform, enter the referral code during registration, and watch your bonuses roll in. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, utilizing this referral code can offer you a substantial advantage. It's a win-win. Moreover, having access to MEXC bonus means you can explore various trading pairs and investment opportunities without the fear of high fees eating into your profits. The more you trade, the more valuable your bonuses become. So, why wait? Take advantage of this opportunity today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell here at Crypto Horizon for more insights and tips on maximizing your cryptocurrency journey. Use the referral code 12K4M5 when signing up, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Start trading smart with MEXC bonus now.